If you are running out of storage or need to upload a video faster, here's how you can reduce video size on your phone without installing any third-party app. So for that you have to open any browser which is available on your phone. In my case, I am using Chrome browser. And then you have to search and you have to go to CLIDEO video compressor, and this will be the first link. You have to open that website. It works both on Android and iPhone device right in your browser, so no app is needed and no sign up is needed. You can simply upload your file, like you have to choose your file, and or if you want to shoot video directly from your camera and want to reduce it, you can directly choose camera. So I'm choosing media picker, and from media picker I will select a random video from my phone. You can choose whatever video you need to compress, and then like that. Then it will take around few minutes to upload your file depending on the size of the video, and after that it will start pre-processing. And then you will see that three options, in which you can see there's a basic which is default selected, in which file size will be medium and with high quality. In strong it will be smallest file with low quality, and in superb it will be small file size and high quality. But for that you will need a pro plan. So right now we want to use free plan, so I will go with strong. Then you can hit compress and it will take few minutes to export. After that you will be redirected to that page. Here you can see we have compressed your file by 2%. The file is now 6.67 MB, which was previously 6.75 MB. And from here you can directly download your file, or you can remove watermark, or you can continue editing using their free built-in video editor, or you can add subtitles or even resize your video from there too. I am going to simply download that video and it will save that file into my gallery. If you like this video, subscribe and press the bell icon, and don't forget to comment. And if you want more tech videos like that, don't forget to comment.